We got fish and chips. Those were, how much?
$8.
$8 for fish and chips. Max got 2 pounds of crab legs, which were $23 a pound. Deborah got the peel and eat shrimp, $12 a pound. And then some buffalo shrimp. They were $5, I think. Clam chowder were $8, but I think they spilled butter in it. It never looks like that. And then I got 2 pounds of crab legs, $23 a pound, and peel and eat shrimp. My cholesterol will go skyrocket tonight. babe, where are we going?
We're going to dinner, and not that either one of us is hungry because we had an amazing lunch though. Deborah took us to the seafood shack, and it was so good. Thank you, Deborah.
Yep, they saw it.
It was good.
All right. So anyway, we'll bring you that menu right about
That.
Terry got fried green tomatoes and a fruit plate.
I had a napkin, but no
I
soda.
got 2 minestrone soups. All right,
God, we
Terry
had a
got
lot
the
of pork.
spaghetti off the kids menu,
We had a lot of
and I got the pork chop, Caribbean jerk pork chop. Terry got the babaloo
Thank
cake,
you. Maybe I will be back with
and
you,
I got
okay?
the babaloo cake.
You want coffee, baby?
All right, babe, where we going?
Here we are with Pat with his new glasses. Looks so intelligent.
That's hilarious.
Well, we're at the Love and Marriage show. It's one of my favorites, so we'll see. And I know it's going to be good.
All right.
Okay.
All right, we'll bring it to you.
Yes.
Right
You'll
about.
see it all right here.
Yeah, barely.
No, here comes Kelly.
And there's that girl. That girl right there.
We missed you today.
Very good. But I'm looking for someone very specific. So, I'm not gonna force anyone. This is not the love and dating show. This is the love and marriage show, okay? Good job, good job, good job. Couple number 2, ready? Take it away. That talks about falling from a tree. All right. Couple number 3, take it away. All right, good job, couple number 3. Couple number 4, take it away. Go for it. Nice. Good job. Moving on. Couple number 5. Ready? Go for it. Let me hear your applause. Good job. Ready, my next couple? Go for it. Go for it. Put your hands together. Good job. Oh, wow. Very good. Nice. Ready? My next couple. Take it away. Beautiful. Good job. Good job. Go ahead. No pressure. Go for it. Beautiful. Good job. My last couple. Last but not least. Ready? Take it away. Go for it. I'm gonna ask 10 different questions. And then at the end, we want to check the answers, all right? If we get a match, we're going to be looking for some matches. So if we get a match, everybody's going to be wild and crazy, just like this. Go ahead. Thanks. Thank you so much. Stand out for me, please, all my beautiful couples. Thank you. Stand out for me. We're just going to leave the clipboards over here on the chairs. I never asked for a standing ovation, but shortly, you will see the lights from the theater going crazy, all right? I just want to say thank you so much. Let me hear a big applause for my lovely couples on the stage. Once you see the lights going crazy, I need you to please look at your beautiful wife and just give her a nice kiss, all right? That's what I'm asking. Are you ready? Let's do this, DJ. All right, kiss to each other. Go for it. All right. Nice.
Where we're going?
We're not going. We're already here. We're here for the comedy, and the last guy's name is Parker. Something Parker. I hope he's funny. I stayed up for this. He better be funny. Yeah.
She didn't get her milkshake.
And now I'm really mad because I didn't get a milkshake.
Well, we walked by there and there was nobody there.
Yeah.
We came to get our seats. I went back. The line's halfway down the
Now I
aisle.
can't get a milkshake.
Oh, she's gonna be hard to put up with.
Yeah. This
All
guy
right.
better be funny.
All right.
He better be funny.
We'll see you at our chocolate martini. That's
It's his
next.
fault I didn't get that milkshake. I'm waiting.
All right, babe. It's been a fun 4 days.
It's been a fun 4 days. I've had a good time. I've read almost 2 books. I did break from fingernails. That's not good. But I had a great cruise.
It's always my fault.
We had a fun cruise, so we really did.
We did.
Seriously.
All right, yep. And then Max and Deborah are staying on. They're doing the back-to-backs.
So they don't have to get up and pass.
Well, they made me get off, so I gotta go get a haircut. Look at this, man.
He's getting a haircut as soon as he gets home, and I'm getting my nails done. So we already got big plans for a holiday weekend. Haircut and nails done.
Hey, I did bathe while we were on here, okay? Come on. Give me a little break. Yeah, I did.
Don't smell it.
That's wrong. All right, so anyway. Yep, so.
Had a fun time. And the comedian, he wasn't my favorite. Maybe I'm just tired, but he wasn't the best.
Nah, wasn't that funny. All right, but anyway, I mean, he had a couple of funny things, but it doesn't matter. So, all right, anyway, so that's it. We will get off tomorrow. The next one up is our anniversary cruise on the Utopia of the Seas. Don't tell these people. And we'll be heading out on that, going to Nassau and Coco Cay again. All right.
All right, good night.
Well, that's it.
And bring the great things because
They're good.
so good.
And they make you sleep. Except I'm going to the casino. She's going to bed. You know the routine. So we'll see you
So good.
on the next one.
Cheers.
Utopia, June 12th.
Cheers.
Thanks. See you later.